Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding your goal and tone. Are you aiming to set a boundary, diffuse with humor, or end contact definitively? Once decided, pick the medium that matches risk and audience. Face-to-face carries nuance, text leaves records. Make sure to limit collateral damage by rehearsing a short, clear line you can deliver without escalating. Practice once or twice so your voice and posture match the intent, and keep the initial phrase concise and unwavering to avoid mixed signals. You then deliver the line with calm authority. State the phrase clearly, pause, and let it land. Once done, follow with a brief explanation if needed. Say why the behavior stops here and what you will do next. Make sure to maintain neutral body language and steady volume so emotion doesn't escalate the situation. If using text, draft, wait 5 minutes, then send. If in person, step back and hold your ground so the exchange can't be twisted or misread. Finally, you close the interaction decisively. Leave the space or end the call and implement boundary actions like blocking or clear follow-up rules. Once done, document the incident if there's a risk of retaliation or future disputes. Screenshots, notes, and witness names help. Make sure to monitor your safety. If the other person becomes aggressive or threatening, remove yourself immediately and contact authorities. Keep a calm mindset afterward.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.